10th class student, now we will discuss about short answer type questions of economics lesson 1 development, 3 mark questions. Question number 1, explain the terms net attendance ratio and literacy rate. Net attendance ratio, total number of children of age group 6 to 10 attending school as a percentage of total number of children in the same age group. Second, literacy rate, proportion of literate population in the age group of 7 years and above. Question number 2, explain the concept of human development with an example. Human development means that education and health are an important part to achieve well-being of the human resource. Second, human development indicates that the human mind becomes efficient to perform tasks of highly skilled nature when proper education is provided to them and a healthy lifestyle is available. Third, for example, every human being has a basic right to get a good education and better health facilities. Those countries which provide the basic necessities of life progress faster than those countries which do not have these facilities. Now, question number 3. Explain the 3 components of Human Development Index, or write the importance of Human Development Index in 3 points, or write a note on Human Development Index. Answer: Human Development Index is published by the UNDP. First, it indicates the level of development of a country. Second, it indicates to a country how far it has travelled and how far it has yet to travel to achieve high ranks in matters such as per capita income of the people. Third, one comes to know the important welfare elements such as life expectancy, literacy, educational level of people and health status. Now question number 4. On the basis of which 3 indicators of HDI 2004 Sri Lanka has better rank than India? Answer: first, life expectancy; second, gross enrollment ratio; third, per capita income. Question number 5. Which 3 efforts should be made by any country to improve its HDI? Answer: the 3 efforts which could be made by any country to improve its HDI are: first, providing 100% literacy to the people; second, improving health facilities; third, creating a pollution-free environment. Now, question number 6. Apart from income, which other 6 things people look for growth and development? Or give some examples where factors other than income are important aspects of own lives. First, apart from income, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, security and respect of others. Second, they resent discrimination. All these are important goals. Third, in fact, in some cases, these may be more important than more income or more consumption, because material goods are not all that you need to live. Fourth, money or material things that one can buy with it is one factor on which our life depends. Now question number 7. State any 3 factors other than income that are important in life. First, infant mortality rate. It is an indicator of the availability of doctors and medical facilities in the region, as well as the awareness of the people living there in regard to diseases and their prevention. Second, literacy rate. This is an indicator of the number of schools and teachers available in a region and also indicates whether the facilities are being used or not due to social pressures. Third, life expectancy. This is also an indicator of available health facilities. Low life expectancy is a hindrance to economic development. Now we can discuss long 5-mark questions. Question number 1. Explain the main achievements of the Government of India in the improvement of health status of the people after 1947. Efforts made by the government in the field of health can be summarized as follows. First, the life expectancy of birth in India has more than doubled in the last 50 years. It has reached nearly 62 years. Second, in the plan period, the mortality rate has declined to nearby 9 per thousand and infant mortality has come down to 70 per thousand live birth. Similarly, maternal mortality rate has also declined. Third, efforts have been made to overcome the nutritional problems in the country and considerable progress has been achieved. Fourth, smallpox has been completely eradicated and malaria, tuberculosis, leprosy, etc. have also been controlled to a large extent. Now question number 2. Describe any 5 conditions or aspects that you would consider before accepting a job, or if you got a job in a far off place before accepting it, you would try to consider many factors. Explain any 5 such factors or give examples to prove that there are other important developmental goals than income. Answer. If one gets a job in a far off place before accepting it, one would try to consider many factors apart from income, such as first, facilities for the families. I would have to check if there is a good educational facilities for children, a good house and locality to stay in. Good medical facilities should also be available. Second, job security. I should have clear terms of employment in my appointment letter. A job which gives a high pay but no job security will reduce one's sense of security and freedom. Next, third one, opportunity to learn. There should be opportunity for personal career growth so that no burden or stagnation sets in. Fourth, working atmosphere needs to be cooperative and healthy. There should be good term spirit and the seniors should look after the newcomers and guide them. If women are engaged in paid work, their dignity in the household and society increases, as safe and secured environmental may allow more women to take up jobs or run business. Time for your family. Working hours should be fixed and adhered to so that there is time for spending with family. Leave facilities must be there as well. Next, third question. Explain with examples that there are other important development goals also besides income, or development goals are different for different people. Explain the statement with the appropriate examples. Answer. First, development or progress does not mean one and same thing for every individual. Each individual has his her own notion of development. Second, people seek things that are most important for them, that is, things that can fulfill their aspirations or desires. Examples: A. Development for a farmer might be proper irrigation facilities. B. For an urban youth it may be employment. C. For a landless laborer it may be land. D. For a girl it might mean gender equality or more freedom. Now question number 4. Besides incomes, what can be the other attributes to compare economic development? Answer: income is not only the criterion, but it is one of the important indicators of economic development. Some of the other attributes are: first, infant mortality rate. It is an indicator of the availability of doctors and medical facilities in the region, as well as the awareness of the people living there in regard to diseases and their prevention. Low infant mortality rate indicates good medical facilities and all-round development in the society. A high rate will be an economic loss for the region, as much efforts invested which could have been hastened. Next, literacy rate. This is an indicator of the number of schools and teachers available in region, and also indicates whether the facilities are being used to not to due to social pressures. Low literacy rate shows backwardness, and there will not be fast economic development. Life expectancy. This is also an indicator of available health facilities. Low life expectancy will be hindrance to economic development. Now, last question number 5. How far is it correct to say that money in your pocket cannot buy the basic needs to live well? Explain. First, income by itself is not a completely adequate indicator. Second, money cannot buy you a pollution-free environment. Third, money may also not be able to protect you from infectious diseases. Therefore, the whole community needs to take preventive steps, that is, first, collective security for the whole society. Second, public facilities such as schools. Third, public distribution system in some states. Fourth, all can only be done collectively and not individually.